Here is a ceiling fan that's on our back porch. We're replacing this one pretty soon because I just don't like it. And I do like it a lot, but just kind of don't like it. It's getting old and beat up, and right now it's pretty old. It has wicker blades facing down. And facing up is no wicker blades. Think what that is. Don't really get the full question of what this fan looks like on the other side. So we're going to first start up with high. And you might have seen this fan before. The ceiling fan before. You might have seen it before because it was on the birds on the back porch ceiling fan video that I have made of it. And I ran it actually on almost all speeds. I think I forgot about speed, but I don't know really. But this is the video about it running on all speeds. And now we're going to Miam. It wobbles a lot, Miam. And there's the inspiration what the pool chain will sound like. And we're replacing this one pretty soon. We might not. But it's a good ceiling fan. Yeah, it's a great ceiling fan. Pretty good, alright. Now it does have a little wobble on me. Okay, I'm going to show you the wobble on the pool because the camera might not be picking it up right now. Okay, just let's sway and the pool chain will be in place. And it does make a little airflow, that's why we are getting rid of it back here, taking it out. Back here, I might poo somewhere else, but not exactly back here. This fan's gonna be replaced with a Harbor Breeze classic style. It's gonna be replaced with a classic style. Harbor Breeze classic style is going back here. And it does have a little wobble to it on its speed. Does have a little wobble to it. Now for low. There is a low, but I'm going to and don't forget about hit the subscribe button on the bottom of your screen if you like this video. And I am going to do spin down. There's low. Now for off. Now I'm going to put the phone down in a minute maybe. Or it is pretty fast spinner downer. Could be the first one to spin down in the house. I'm going to do that soon, but I'm not doing it just yet. I mean, I'm not planning to do it just yet. but this one is slowing down. And once it stops, I will stop the video once it stops. Which, I do know that this fan stops pretty quick. There it is. Slowing down. Slower until it stops. It's going to stop. All ceiling fans just have to stop eventually. And it's almost at a stopping point. It's almost there. Okay, it has stopped. There it is, stopped now.